Good morning, children. It's Standard 7. Subject English Bal Bharti, Unit 3. From Unit 3, we are going to see lesson number 3.2, Compare a Program. So, let's see on page number 58. So, children, name of the lesson is Compare a Program. So, first of all, we will see what is the meaning of compare. Compare, it's a noun. Compare means a person who introduces the people and program on the stage during the function, or a presenter, or you may say the person who hosts the program. So now here we are going to see how to host, which points should be included in the program, in program sheet, okay, how to encourage people, audience, getting ready for the program. Good morning, friends. It is a pleasure for me to welcome you all to this festive occasion. Please take your seats. May I request you to keep your mobiles switched off or on silent mode. Let us ring in to the merry mood of youthful creative expressions and forget our preoccupations and ringtones for the time being. Children, compare wishes to the audience with good morning and request the audience to switch off their mobile phones so that they can forget their busy thoughts and work for some time and enjoy the festive occasion. Festive means joyous, joyful occasion. Let's see the next paragraph. Arrival of the dignitaries. I am happy to announce that the dignitaries have arrived. I request you all to be seated. I request our head girl, Miss Shubhada Murarka, to escort the dignitaries to the dais. Children, dignitary means the important person or to whom you invited as a chief guest. Now the dignitary had arrived and were being escorted to the dais. The program would soon start, and hence she requests the audience to be seated, and even she requests their head girl, Miss Shubhada Murarka, to escort dignitaries to the dais. Honorable chief guest of today's function and an artist of great renown, Shri Charudat Diwan, President of Balanand Education Society, Shri Avdut Pathak, our Principal Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi, Vice Principal Dr. Shaila Singh, all our invited guests, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. On behalf of Balanand Vidyalaya, I extend a hearty welcome to you all. We have gathered here for the inauguration of our school art festival. So now host introduced today's chief guest and told about the inauguration of school art festival. Children, the next program is lighting the lamp. Let us begin this auspicious occasion with something symbolic of knowledge and learning. And for this, I would like to request all the honorable members on the dais to kindly light the traditional lamp and offer prayers. So now here that host is requesting to the honorable chief guest on the dais to kindly light the traditional lamp and offer prayer. Friends, look at the amazing quality of this lamp. When lit, not only does it carry the tremendous potential to break the darkness of the night, but also leaves way for 1,000 other lamps to be lit from its flame. Likened to the lamp is knowledge. Knowledge to spread light. It neither divides nor subtracts. It only adds and multiplies. Miss Anaga Bhatia of Standard 7 and her group will now sing the school song. Now that host, she is requesting to Anaga Bhatia and her group from Standard 7 that they will start to sing school song. After lighting the lamp, the next program is welcome and introduction of the guest. Atiti Devo Bhava. Children, Atiti means the guest to whom you invited for the as a chief guest for the program. And Devo Bhava. Devo Bhava means that Atiti or that guest is equivalent to the God. Our Indian culture regards guests as gods. Let us welcome and honor distinguished guests. It is indeed our proud privilege to have amidst us a very eminent personality from the field of art and culture, renowned artist, a painter of international repute, and proud recipient of many prestigious awards, President of Kala Ranjan Academy, Sri Charudatta Diwan. I would request our principal to welcome him by offering a token of love and appreciation books to volume of cherished lives of great artists. We are offering books because flowers might perish but books can stay forever. So now instead of bouquet they offer books because they are thinking that flowers might perish but books can stay forever. Thank you, sir. I would now request the convener of this art festival. So now children, here convener means the person who assemble the people or organize the function. I would now request the convener of this art festival, our art teacher, respected Miss Shilpa Sanghini, to welcome the beacon of our institution, the president of Balanand Academy, Mr. Avdut Pathak. I would now request our school captain and cultural in charge, Ms. Shubhada Murarka, to welcome our ever inspiring dynamic principal, Dr. Ajinkya Parki sir. Our enthusiastic principal will be welcomed by Ms. Anaga Bhatia. Thank you, dear Anaga. Children, after introduction of the chief guest, the next part, that is the introductory speech by principal sir. To apprise you about the art festival, I request the principal, respected Dr. Ajinkya Parki, to deliver his introductory speech. So now here appraise. Spelling of appraise is wrong given in textbook. Actually the spelling is APPRISE. Appraise. It means give information about. So now the principal who is going to tell you about the today's information of today's function. Book release. Friends, we have prepared here a volume comprising photographs of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art which are displayed today in the auditorium. They are the artistic and skillful contributions from our students. I request the chief guest to release this special book on this occasion and formally inaugurate the art festival. After inauguration, thank you, sir. I know this has aroused curiosity in you to see the exhibition. After this program, you can take that pleasure. The next part, that is the cultural program. I know you all are eagerly waiting to listen to the gems of music from our school. We now invite this talented band of musicians to display their talent. We proudly present the Tal Kacheri. Sahil of standard 10th A will give you vocal rendition and the same piece will be demonstrated on different instrument. Let us enjoy the Tal Kacheri. Varsha on Mridangam, Vivek on Dholak, Zubin on Tabla and Govin on Ghatam. Let us have a big round of applause for the excellent demonstration. Different states display their unique identity through their respective culture. Standard 7C will now give a beautiful presentation of the famous Koli dance from Maharashtra. What a wonderful presentation. Now, a light comedy play will be presented by Standard 9C. I would like to request Standard 9 artist to perform their play. The Boys Comes Home by A. Millen. That was indeed a fantastic performance. Children, next part, that is the prize distribution. So before explaining about the prize distribution, I would like to tell you that whenever you will get chance of comparing the program, you have to follow such type of sequence. So let's see now. You are all eagerly waiting for the prize distribution. There are butterflies in your stomach. Now here one phrase is given, butterflies in your stomach. It means that excitement to whom the prize will get. You will soon be relieved of your anxiety. Everyone is unique in his or her potential. All are talented, yes, but some do perform better and their talent needs to be appreciated. I would now invite the chief guest to declare the prize winners and give away the prizes for the different categories of art. Now that host requested to the chief guest to give the prizes, and after prize distribution, after given that prizes, after that she said, "Thank you, sir." Now after prize distribution, there is the time of the speech of chief guest. Address by the chief guest. Compare now request to the chief guest to address the audience with the valuable words. So now here I would now request our illustrious chief guest to address the audience. And after addressing by the chief guest, after the speech of chief guest, that host will say, "Thank you, sir. Your speech has given us wonderful insights on various aspects of art and culture. We are immensely grateful to you for your invaluable words of enlightenment." Children, now we reach up to the last part of the program, and that is most important. It is vote of thanks. So in vote of thanks, you have to say thank you to everybody who has taken efforts, who is participated for making successful that program. Let's see now on page number 62, vote of thanks. Before we draw the curtain, I take the opportunity to thank all those who have lent a helping hand to make this art festival meaningful. And for the formal vote of thanks, I invite the convener of this program, our art teacher, Miss Shilpa Sanghani. So children, like this the program will be ended with the vote of thanks. So I hope that you understood what is the sequence of the program, how to make a program sheet. And I request you, whenever you will get chance of comparing the program, you have to be participate and you have to make your speech very attractive, very meaningful. Let's see now English workshop on page number 62. The first question, the items in the program below have got mixed up. Rearrange them in the proper order. Just add the number in the left hand column. Now here some items are given. You have to be rearrange that items, that sentences as per the program. So for this you have to read whole lesson and write down yourself. Children, let's see on page number 63. Question number 3. Choose the appropriate phrase to insert in the gaps to make the sentences meaningful. Use the appropriate form of the verb. So let's see the first sentence. Before we dash, let us stand in attention for the national anthem. So answer will be, before we draw the curtain, let us stand in attention for the national anthem. Second one, I had butterflies in my stomach. I had butterflies in my stomach just as I was to receive my report card. Next, After I took the medicine, I was relieved of the pain. I was relieved of the pain. The next one, before we do the experiment in the laboratory, let me apprise you all about it. After that, next, the minister was escorted by his personal bodyguards. And the last one, sorrowful times are likened to darkness. Children, next question, question number 4. Prepare a formal invitation card for the art festival. Now this is an activity, so you have to make one invitation card. Next question, that is prepare a news report in brief on this art festival. So now here you have to write down news about the art festival. So whatever you learn through this lesson from the beginning to the up to the end, you have to write down in short. That is the report. Next one, chalk out detailed program for the following occasion. So now here 3 topics are given. You have to write down 10 lines for each topic. After that, question number 7, that is language study. Object, direct and indirect. An object is a word, phrase or clause that shows the person, thing affected by the action of the verb. The underlined word or phrases in the following sentences are objects. Now here examples are given. First one is, mother drives a scooter. So now a scooter, it is object. Second example, he gave me a pen. A pen, it is object. There are 2 types of object, direct and indirect. The direct object is directly affected by the action. For example, in sentence 2 above, a pen is direct object. An indirect object refers to the person or a thing to whom or for whom the action is done. In second sentence, me is an indirect object. So students, you have to write down 10 examples of each direct and indirect. Complete the English workshop in your classwork notebook, and whatever the part of grammar that you have to mention in your or write down in your grammar notebook. So thank you so much students.